Okay.
Remember, I'm gonna connect you and disconnect you all the time.
Yep.
Don't worry, I'm gonna explain you how to do it. This one goes here, and this one goes here.
All right.
You need to tie the rope. Okay, put your hands up and put it here.
Yeah. Okay.
Your right
And this
hand
one's
here. Exactly. That one is the brake. Turn around. Excellent. Right hand down. Excellent. Like that one, and sit. Remember, tie the rope. Okay. Put it here, like
Here.
tighten. Okay. Sit. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay. It's okay. Excellent. Get up and apart. Excellent. Get apart, get apart. Excellent, nice. Woo, very good. Well, you're on the field, man. You can put your hands up.
Okay.
What? You plan a little more from here?
Here?
Yeah.
Good.
Listen up. Good?
Thank you. Now I understood what I was doing.
Your
This
left
one?
hand here, exactly. You need to tie it a little bit more the rope. Okay. This one, remember to tie it, put it excellent, like pulling the rope, okay? You have to pull it more. Excellent. Okay, you need to tie this one. Okay. Now cross the rope over the rope.
Oh, my feet. Yeah.
Excellent. Turn around and sit.
Ready?
Yeah, sit. Remember, tie the rope. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay, keep it tight. Keep it tight.
I've got it.
1, 2, 3. Tight it. Tight it.
I got it. All right.
Okay, from here. Good job, my friend.
Thank you. Okay.
Very good.
Yep. Thank you. All right. What?
Turn around and sit.
Ready?
Yeah, sit. Remember, tie the rope. Okay. Excellent. Very good. Very good. Okay, keep it tight. Keep it tight.
I got it.
1, 2, 3. Tight it. Tight it. What's out? Ahí. No hace el guía.
The strong hand is your right hand.
Use the other one.
Right here?
Oh my god.
Go down.
Sorry.
Oh, give me the black one.
My friend,
No, we got picture.
you turn around, turn your left, and you pass your legs over the road.
What, the green one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm?
Sorry. I need to tie the rope.
Oh,
Sorry.
we're not
Your
tied yet?
hands? Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay. Your right hand in here. Yeah.
Sure.
You ready? Okay.
Good.
You start go down.
I can go?
Yeah.
Okay.
You sit in the area? Yeah. Very good. Okay. Very good, my friend. With the part and lean back. Yeah.
I can't hear you. Whew. Almost.
Remember, don't lean back too much. Yes, like that one, excellent. Feet wide apart, like that one always, excellent. That's the position. Okay, and that's it. Okay, bye.
Okay.
¿Está bien? ¿Se puede mojar? Sí. Okay. Remember your position, bro. Feet up, feet apart. Keep your position. Excellent. Going right side. Feet apart. Remember, bro, your feet apart, okay? Feet apart. Excellent. In that part, bro, you don't have to lean back too much. Okay? Don't lean back too much. Feet apart, bro. Feet apart. Feet apart, feet apart. Your feet wide apart. Okay. Excellent. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Stand up and stand up. Remember your position, bro. Sit a little bit. Feet wide apart. Okay. Walking down. Okay. Don't lean back too much in this part. Don't lean back too much. Lower battery. Oh, almost. Remember, don't lean back too much. Okay, like that one, excellent. Feet wide apart, like that one always, excellent. That's the position. Okay, and that's it. Yeah! Hey, bye. Bro?
You alright? Where am I going?
Step here and then here. Hey, bro. Okay. Can you remind me your name, bro?
James.
James.
Yes.
James. Okay. Going that side.
Am I going on that side?
Okay. Sit, boy. Remember turning around. Okay. Okay, to the other side. Turn around to the other side and go in that side. Okay.
Okay.
Tie the rope. Remember. Remember, tie the rope. Just go in that side. Excellent. Tie the rope. Very good. That's the idea. Okay.
Okay?
Listo.
Yes. What? I don't get it.
Go down.
Go down.
You front there.
This side?
Yeah. And walk down. Together. Yeah. Put your feet in the road and help you down. Yeah.
Okay.
Very good again.
All right. Turn around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, my friend. You okay?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm good.
Perfect.